This year's budget may not offer any reprieve to the average person whose greatest worry is the money forked out on a daily to buy the little things that are needed at home. An increase of excise duty on petrol and diesel by 50 shillings, reinstatement of excise duty on kerosene at 200 shillings per litre, an increase in excise duty on sugar from 25 to 50 shillings, a 10% excise duty on fees charged on mobile money withdrawals, excise duty of 10% on bank charges and money transfer fees. The budget also proposes that all goods and services procured by the government directly or with donor support will be tax inclusive. This means that the government will now join the private sector in compliance as far as tax payments are concerned on imports. Sports betting lovers have not been spared by this budget. The budget proposes a 15% tax on winnings on sports and pool betting and designates gambling houses as agents to withhold tax. A capital gains tax has also been introduced on the sale of all commercial property. In other words, a transaction on commercial property will have both buyers and sellers eligible to pay tax. If you are the manager or owner of an educational institution, the new budget mandates you to pay a tax on earnings from your institution if it is for commercial gain. This is to broaden the tax base. The 2014-2015 financial year budget also seeks to terminate tax exemptions on supply of new computers, desktop printers, computer parts and accessories, and computer software licenses. Supply of hotel accommodation in tourist lodges and hotels outside Kampala district. Supply of liquefied petroleum gas, supply of feeds for poultry and livestock, supply of agriculture and dairy machinery, supply of packaging materials to the dairy and milling industries, supply of salt, supply of insurance services except medical and life, supply of specialized vehicles, plant and machinery services, and civil works related to roads and bridges construction, agriculture, water, education and health. The budget also proposes that value-added tax now apply on these zero-rated supplies with effect from 1st July 2014. Supply of printing services for educational materials, supply of cereal grown, milled or produced in Uganda, supply of processed milk and milk products, supply of machinery and tools for agriculture, supply of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides and hose.